you saw my video yesterday, which was a interference rainbow, because the rainbow I did a few days ago, the regular rainbow, was so gorgeous and everyone seemed to love it. So I want to see what happened if I did a full interference rainbow on a dark color. So I also get to show you a newly released TLP interference that's going to be released on the June 25th, 26th. So stay tuned for that. But it is an orange interference, shall we? Now, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see in this light. No, you definitely cannot. So you'll see it soon, don't worry. However, let's talk about rainbow interference colors from TLP. They have the full range now with that orange. So the TLP red is, funnily enough, rose quartz, okay? So for our rainbow red, we're gonna do rose quartz. Then we are going, I mean, not like you're gonna see it, but I guess I'm gonna do it on a 16-incher today. I'll line them up anyways like I did last time and hope that nothing falls, but you're not gonna see it. Okay, we have, I hope I have them all here. Rose quartz, finally, oh, I can't do that. I don't have a thing of brulee, but don't worry, pretend. We have rose quartz brulee. Then we are gonna have ball gown, which is a gold interference, okay? And then after ball gown, we're gonna have Pinot Gris, which is their green interference. Then, one of my faves, we're gonna have Velvet, which is not this, which is a blue interference. And for their violet, we have Sequins. You can kind of see what's happening now and pretend that we have the latte here. Okay? Woo, interference. Okay, that's my song for the day. I'm really excited. Now, I have made, I know I'm a little wonky, I've made my own pillow color because in my previous video, I got Sherwin-Williams color to go tricorn black, okay? And I had some of this weird color that I didn't want to use. Oh, it's Concord Grape. Oh, so in the video yesterday, I called it Dewberry, and then I called my color Tricorn Dew, because dewberry is a similar color, but this is Concord Grape. So it's Triconcord, no, that's Tricorn Grape, okay, is my new color. And let's see if, I might want to add some more, but you'll see, oh, you know what, in this light, you know why? I didn't add it to this, I added it to a different cup. We're gonna add it to this, okay? So what I'm gonna do is, this is just my Tricorn Black, and in here, I'm going to add the Concord Grape, okay? And then we're gonna mix it up because I want a deep purple. So, I'm just doing that. While I'm mixing, I'll talk to you. So what can I tell you about this? I wanna make sure I mix it really well. Honestly, you might not see the streaks anyways, but I am going a little bigger today with a 16-inch because I'm kind of hoping you see more of this amazing color that I made, which I didn't know what it was called, but now I know it's Tricorn Grape. And let's see. It's just like a very nice muted purple. And underneath like the sequins, it's gonna look really nice, okay? So that's my Tricorn Grape. I like it. So there you have it. So what do we get to painting? Oh, I'm gonna use my same scraper, swiper that I used. It used to be new yesterday. It used to say Fluid Art #2, but it does not anymore. Here she is. All right, let's get to work. Okay, so I have my 16-incher here. So I'm hoping there will be some negative space. And I'm wondering if I should do like, should I try to do like an actual rainbow? It won't work, but I don't know. So here is my Tricorn Grape. I just love it. I'm sure, I mean, who knows if they have a similar color, but I just didn't want to use that Concord Grape color, right? So, oh, I didn't mix it, but that's okay. That will come off anyways. I don't want to put too much because I do possibly want some negative space. I still not sure what I'm doing yet though, guys. Like, do I want to just do the same swipe I did yesterday? No, even though it was gorgeous. Okay, I'm definitely gonna just get her, because I don't want to have to stretch it too much, if you know what I mean. Ooh, I did put too much. Just get some off while we're at it. Definitely want to get those bublés off too. Get some of this off while we're at it. Okay, yeah, Lisa put, I always forget how thin and runny this paint is. Okay, now, if you saw my video yesterday, I had air bubbles that were bothering me and I did something very illegally paint-wise, and I torched this because this is house paint and we don't want to torch it, but I'm torching it anyways because I want it to be perfect, okay? So sue me. Thank you. Now, this actually looks cool the way it is. Okay. Well, what are we doing? That's what I'd like to know. Now, should I... Okay, why don't I pretend to do a rainbow swipe? So I'm gonna start at the bottom here with the sequins, the violet. Still don't know what I'm doing, so don't judge it just yet, okay? Okay, here's the violet, okay? I'm stressed already as usual. Okay, next we have the velvet. Okay, oh, there's something in there. Velvet, I'll just use the rest of what I have. Right, so pretty. Definitely, I mean, there's so many amazing interferences and I love them all, but I think for me, velvet was the earliest one and it always is so magical. Okay, here's the Pinot Gris, which is the green. The color, I love these rainbow colors. Okay, there we go. Okay, then we have the ball gown. I haven't even used this brulee yet, so I have no idea what it's gonna look like. I'm really excited. Ooh, Mo's yelling for me, or yelling at for something. Okay, here's the ball gown. Okay. Do you know what though? That's kind of foolish because there's no, I don't have a, that swiper isn't gonna like go like this. I would need a really big swiper. I don't know if I have one handy. Okay, here is the brulee. And I just mixed it, so there's bublés inside. Ready? I'm so excited. Brulee. I'm gonna start here. Wow. Does look like orangey, doesn't it? Oh, such a pretty rainbow. Okay, and then finally, rose quartz. I'm gonna bring it down a bit. Okay, I'm going to, because I don't know if you could see these amazing colors. I'm gonna take you down for a minute and show you what it looks like before I even swipe it, so you can see this fun color situation that's happening. Hold on, let me get this spot there. Wow, love. Okay, hold on. Definitely want to get the bublés out before we do anything because they will cause big spots that look ugly. So let's get those. And then I'm going to take you down for a sec to see what I'm looking at from this angle because I don't know if you can see how awesome. And we'll start to swipe. Check this out. Do you see what I mean? Like, what? This is before swiping. Cool. Okay, let me see another bublé. So I haven't decided how I'm swiping it. By the way, my Cell Activator is titanium white. Like, I don't want to, do I just want to? Okay, let's see. Lisa was not prepared for this, as usual. No, I'm not. Okay, I really don't want to screw this up though, you know? So like, oh, this bubble just doesn't want to quit. Come on, bubble. Like, no, you're not invited. Okay. So, do I just, I'm just gonna go for it. There's gonna be no negative space as usual, but whatever, right? The brulee looks awesome. So what I am doing is I've put my cell activator on the back and I'm icing it and thinning it. Okay. Oops. Looks like this. Okay. What am I even doing, you guys? So nervous. Okay, I might have to do two. Whatever. Okay. Because I have a lot of, ooh, so pretty. Look. Okay. We'll see. I'm gonna wipe her off and do another one. I don't know what's gonna show up. Ooh, it's pretty, guys. Like, I'm not upset about it. You know? All right, we're gonna do another one. Do the same thing. Okay. Okay. And why don't I bring, because I want to bring, here we go, this over so I can see more of that. I don't know what I just did, but let's see. Okay, let's see what I've done. Definitely rainbowy, right? Let me put this down here. Okay, let me grab this guy. Okay, now there's a lot going on, so I don't know. Ugh, this is really cool. Like bloom, bloom, really, just so you can see before. Like, I don't know if you can see the colors, but they're really intense, okay? Wow. You know what, I really like it. The only thing, there's a few bubbles that are gonna bug me, and they're gonna turn black and bug me. And then just like this little thing right here might bug me. Maybe this little thing, I don't know. Okay, I don't mind, just in case, like I don't know how I'm gonna tilt it or spin it. So I just wanna make sure that all my bases are covered if in case these stay. I don't even mind this, you know? I don't know. I enjoy what's happening right now, I'm not gonna lie, so let me start tilting. So, I really like this, actually. It's too bad a lot is gonna have to come off, so I'm gonna slowly just tilt this way. I don't want to disturb it too much. I'm gonna go slow because I don't want to warp anything. Okay? So this is where being patient, unlike me, can pay off. Okay, see how slow I am? And I'm not warping anything, nothing's coming on top of each other, but we're gonna get there. Good, okay, we're off. Okay, this is really cool. It kind of looks like a dragon, and I kind of wish I didn't have so much paint to get rid of. You know, okay, I'm going slow this way. If you hear a bunch of noise upstairs, that's because Elliot is building a platform for our pool. This is really pretty. Okay, I'm gonna start spinning slowly. First, I've got to do a few things, okay? Number one, there's a big air bubble in the middle. Okay. Number two, is this line gonna bother me? I don't know. Maybe, maybe not, we'll see. Okay, I'm just gonna start spinning now and see what happens, okay? Wish me luck. You know what though? Do I want to fix that little black spot? Of course it's gonna bother me. Okay, ready? Gonna go slow. Okay, I don't want too much of this. I want this. I want this. So now, how much paint do we got left? You know what, I'm okay, but I don't want to lose that negative space, okay? So I'm going to tilt it more to this side. Oh, how am I gonna do that? I'm just going to have to slowly tilt it. So I like this edge, we are not touching it, okay? So sometimes you've got to really look at what you want, look at what you like. Okay, I'm gonna start spinning. To keep it a little off balance, a little trick is I'm gonna lift it up slightly. Oopsie, sorry everybody. With, still good? Just this cap here. I want this to come off, okay? So I'm gonna bring this up, lift it, it's harder because this is a bigger canvas and it's gonna spill. Okay, hold on. Okay, so it's on an angle slightly. Okay, we're gonna get that side off. Cool. Okay, so that did what I wanted it to do. How much more do we have? We got a bit more, but I'm okay. These colors are like incredible. Okay, let's see, I'll bring it a little bit down this way. And this is what you gotta do when you really like a composition. You've got to work at it, you know? So I have a little bit of paint left, so I'm just taking it off this side a little bit so we do not crack while we dry. This cracking is the worst. Okay, bring it back a little bit. I think I am happy with this. What do you guys think? I mean, it's definitely different, but the colors are completely insane. I hope you guys enjoyed, and like, look at that brulee. I could totally tell where that is, and it's fabulous. So I'm gonna show you in a few different lights so you can super appreciate it. Love you guys. Like this if you like it, comment if you liked it. And for more of this fun content, by the way, you can join my Patreon account where I have challenges and special giveaways and fun things, exclusive content just for you guys if you want to really get active in your blooming careers. So that link is in my description. Okay, love you guys. Bye-bye.